Hello everyone, welcome back to Computer Zen. So today we are going to learn about how to print the sum of series. So first we are going to start with BlueJ, then we will create a new class. So let us name this class as series. So we will begin the code. So first of all, we will take user input. So we are writing import java.util.scanner. So while we take user input, we need to write this line. So after that, we will define our class, which is public class series. Then our public static void main. Here we will take scanner input. We are going to take input. So we will write scanner sc new scanner. This is quite similar to scanf in C language, which is used to take the input. So first of all, we are printing the input, so we want the value to be taken. So we will print here, enter the value. We want the value from the user, so we will ask for the value, which is enter the value. Within quotes we will write this. Okay, enter the value of n means we are going to take a variable n and then we will define. So as we are taking user input, that's why we are putting this variable n into the scanner class, which is sc.nextInt. Why int? Because this n is taken as an integer. We are storing the result in float because it can come in point value. So I'm writing here, since we will add the sum, so it can give the result in the point value, decimal places. So that's why, since we are going to add the series like 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 7, so they are fractional, right? So that's why it is safe to keep the result in float value. Okay, now the part is for loop. Since I we have taken, okay, I is a variable we are using for traversing the loop part. So float I equals to 1, I is less than equals to n because we are taking the n's value from the user. So the loop will run from I to the number n which we users are going to enter. Okay, I plus plus. So in this loop, what statements we will run? We will run that we are going to add the result, which was initially 0. We have declared our result as 0, plus as the numbers are in series, fractional series, so 1 by I. Means if I is 1, then result plus 1 by 1. If I is 2, then the result will be result plus 1 by 2. Like this, we'll add the sum of the series. So as we are taking fractional inputs, so that's why we are taking 1 by I. So I'm writing over here in the command line. Now we are going to print the result. So system.out.println will print the result. And this was the total code. But we will run and compile it, and then we will see that we have any errors or not. Okay, so now let us compile. It is found giving an error. So you can see that I have written the system.out.println and the bracket, closing brackets in the same line. So that is giving an error. So we will change it. We need one more bracket at the end. Yes. And if now we compile, it will give no errors. Yes. So let us see what are the outputs. Now for the outputs, we will double click and we will go to the void main part, and then we can see there is a terminal window, and here it is writing that we want the value of n, enter the value of n. So let us take 8. So it is giving in decimal part, decimal number system, because 2.71 means 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, all are getting summed up, and then you are getting this value. So if you take another example like 5, then it will give 2.283 like this. So this is how we calculate the sum of the series, of the fractional series. So that is all for the video. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. Also, please visit our playlist made of Java program. There are 3 to 4 videos that I have posted. Please visit them.
So that was all for our video. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Computer Zen. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.